daughter of Sanjay Agarwal, is going to clear your concept of area and perimeter. Guys, I'm sure you will understand it all. So watch till end, and there is a surprise. You will get 3 difficult questions which will clear your whole chapter nicely. So let's start simply with what is perimeter. So perimeter is the distance around the edge of a shape, while area is the amount of space inside a shape. You can see the pic. So now let's start with perimeter. Perimeter of square. The formula is side into 4. So like in this shape, side is equal to 2 cm. So perimeter will be equal to 2 cm into 4. That's 8 cm. It was very easy. Now let's understand how to find area of a square. So here the formula is side into side. So here the side is equal to 7 meter. So the area will be 7 meter into 7 meter. That's 49 meter square. Remember, what matter the most is units. Now let us understand the perimeter of rectangle. Here the formula is 2 into length plus breadth. But if you open it, then it's 2 length plus 2 breadth. Yes. Now let's understand what area of rectangle is. So here the formula is length into width or breadth. Here length is 4 meter and breadth is 3 meter. So area is equal to 4 meter into 3 meter. That will be 12 meter square. I hope it's all clear. Now let's move to perimeter of triangle. That's very simple. You can simply sum up all these sides. So here in triangle PQR, perimeter is equal to PQ plus QR plus RP. It was very easy. Now let's move to new side. That is how to find area of triangle. So according to the formula, area is equal to half into base into perpendicular height. So there is always a base there and height in a triangle. If you didn't understand what is base and height, then see the image, you will totally understand it. So now let's move to perimeter of parallelogram. It's as simple as perimeter of a triangle. You can add all the sides. So in parallelogram ABCD, perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C plus D. Since units are not given here, we can't find it. Now let's move to area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram is base into height. Now you know what is base and what is height. So I'm sure you will easily solve it. Now let's understand how to find perimeter and area of circle. Pay attention here. Area of circle is pi r square. Now questions may rise in your mind. What is pi? So yes, pi is 22 by 7 or 3.14. It is the ratio of a circle's circumference to its diameter. And now what is r? It is the radius. So now you can find area by applying the formula pi r square. So now how to find circumference of circle? So for this, formula is 2 pi r. It is very simple. 2 into pi into radius. So now let's jump to question bank. 3 simple questions. Not simple, surprise questions. So the question says the area of a square and rectangle are equal if the side of square is 40 cm and the breadth of the rectangle is 25 cm. Find the length of the rectangle. Also find the perimeter of the rectangle. Now the side of square is given to be 40 cm. So to find area, the formula is side into side. That's 40 cm into 40 cm. That's 1600 cm square. Now we can conclude that 1600 centimeters square is the area of rectangle 2 as per our question. Now breadth is given to be 25 centimeter. So the length will be area by breadth. How? Because area is equal to length into breadth. So if we move breadth to the left, it will change the sign and it will be area by breadth. So the length will be 1600 centimeter square by 25 centimeter. That is equal to 64 centimeter. So length is 64 centimeter. So now let's find perimeter. That's 2 into length plus breadth. That will be 2 into 64 plus 25 centimeter is equal to 2 into 89 centimeter is equal to 178 centimeter. Now let's move to next question. Next, this question is very difficult, so understand it nicely. So, Sudhanshu divides a circular disc of radius 7 cm in 2 equal parts. What is the perimeter of each semicircular shaped disc? So, now the question says Sudhanshu divides a CD into half. And now what is the perimeter of the half CD? Yes. So for that, let's find the circumference of half CD. As we know, formula is 2 pi r. The circumference of half CD will be half into 2 pi r. 2 will cut and we will left with pi r. So pi r is equal to 22 by 7 into 7 centimeter. 7 will cut, so that will be 22 centimeter. Still now we have find only the length of half curved part. Still the line is left. That is diameter. So diameter of circle is 2r. That's radius into 2 is equal to 7 centimeter into 2 is equal to 14 centimeter. So perimeter of half CD is 22 centimeter plus 14 centimeter is equal to 36 centimeter. So it was easy too. Yes. Now let's move to next question. Find BC if the area of the triangle ABC is 36 centimeter square and the height AD is 3 centimeter. Figure is given here. So we know height is 3 cm and area is given to be 36 cm square. So we are having the area. But still conclude, how will you find the area? By applying formula half into base into height. So we can conclude 36 cm is equal to half into base into 3 cm. Now let's find base BC. For that, move half and 3 cm to left. So base is equal to 36 cm into 2 by 3 cm is equal to 24 cm. So base is 24 cm. If you like my video, kindly subscribe my channel and press the like button. Thank you.